So I have a photo that I want to cut myself out of and try and abstract myself from the background. Now, as you can see, it's quite a busy photograph, so what I want to do is try and use the power of Photoshop to make this a much easier process for me. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually duplicate my photo. So I'm going to drag the background down and create a new layer, which I get background copy. I'm also going to create a blank layer, so we'll end up having layer 1. And that's going to be something that I'm going to change. So I'm going to change the colour of that. So I now select my paint. I now change that layer 1 to a purple background, and I hide my original photograph. So I've only got the background copy and layer 1 enabled. So I select background copy, go up to select and then subject. And what this will do is set Photoshop off to try and find me or the subject of this photograph. And you can see here it's selected me and it's got the little marching ants around my photo. But you can see that it's missed off little bits. It's missed off the end of my fingertips and it's also missed off a bit of my wrist. So I'm going to click on select and then edit in quick mask mode. And then select a paintbrush, and what I can then do is just tweak that a little bit to include my fingertips and the bit of my wrist that it's actually missed as well. So that's selected, and we can obviously deselect parts as well. Once we've done that, we just take off that quick mask, and now we can see that the marching ants are all the way around my finger. Now what I'll do here is actually inverse the selection, so instead of picking me, it's going to pick the background. And then I can hit the delete key, it deletes the background, and there I have me just with this purple background, and I can then move my photograph around and then edit that and create the thumbnail that I want for my image.